Hey guys, Noveen here. Today I'm gonna do a Minecraft video like I said I would. And today I'm gonna do it on my iPad, so sorry if I don't look at the camera that much. I brought the world here. You know what? Today we're gonna try to make a house. I don't want any zombies, so I'm gonna put it on peaceful. Just trying to make a house for you guys. Okay. It's a weird place to spawn. What are you supposed to make a house with? Oh my goodness. I'm a rhinoceros, I know that. You know what, let's actually, let's play on, this. We're gonna play on the server, yeah. And this is Pocket Edition because I am playing this on an iPad. I'm playing this on a iPad. I'm crouching. Yeah. We'll pick a mini game. New map. How to play. Solo Skywars Edition. Station. Solo. Okay, I'm terrible at this parkour. Waiting for 2 more players. 1 more player. Okay, guys, we're waiting for 1 more player. Starting in some seconds, like 20 seconds. I love this waiting area. I don't know why. I just like it. Ooh. Ooh, already? Already got some armor. I mean, I got armor straight off the back. Plus an iron sword. Wait, what else was in there? With some axes. Oh, I might take those pants. I'll take all the food that I can. Maybe 1 snowball. Water. Just straight off water. Dump. Damp bank. Let's go. We already have some. We don't have any blocks. So I guess. Oh, there's a chest in here. Oh my god, there's a bow and there's some blocks. Yes, I needed these blocks. Oh my goodness. I'm not taking the gold leggings, but look how many arrows! Yo! I have so many arrows. I'm gonna be full chain soon. Soon. But I have so many blocks. Another iron sword! I'm gonna take as much food as possible. Like 51 food. I'm going to actually try to kill some. Ow! I died. Oh my god, I died. I can't believe. What did I die by? I don't even remember. I actually feel like ending the video right there. I'm the rhinoceros. I'll always be the rhinoceros because it's my favorite. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Creepy out.